Hello, welcome retail traders. I want to talk about an entry we made today on a knife catch, and I'm going to show you the action as it took place on live that we did today on YouTube. And here we go. I hope you enjoy. This is Snap. So this is the chart right here that I'm going to talk about the play in the video. It's a recording that we did live on YouTube earlier this morning.
Snap knife, good deal, man. I got laughed at for getting out of that trade too, didn't I? Screw them people. I take profit.
TCOM, TSA, PFE, AAL, KMI, Vail, MRNA, IWM, MOS.
All right, Tesla, bam! Who's in Tesla with me?
CHPT, SPC, TNA,
I hope you watched that video last week.
GLD, GMTS, XLE.
Okay, I'm going to sell some contracts. Let's see here. Bam, hit resistance 657.
GM, MDLA, CSCO, MDLA, ALCC, TLRY, IDM, SNGX, IDMO, INTC, INTC, KWEB, SOFI, MCLA, AMZM.
Oh man, I'm up on SQQ.
NAOV, MQ, C, NTES, SPC, SQ, FFEB,
Where's my snap target?
SALM, BNDX,
Way down here, 74.35.
WMOXCAAL, MTCHPT, UASL, BSTSL,
We got a double bottom here. Well, we got first support right here at 74.88. And snap.
XLR, UAWZGLD, U, BIDYPL,
No, you don't swing something that's run like this. If you do, you just might as well just throw it in the trash. You should understand what side of the street I'm on.
JD, X, TWTR, find, ALCC,
As Snap pulls back to the double bottom, I'm thinking about taking the trade. But I wanted to be patient and wait for that pullback. We're going to prepare to take the same trade we kind of took yesterday.
That was
This is a little different.
657.80.
YMM, WKHS, TZA, GIAC, VIAC, BEAF, ROTUS, PXS, KL, PP, RBLX, CSCO.
This is the money on these spikes.
NIL, HD, Lee, VIPs, GITU, NFB, MDLA, NAUB, IQ, WMT.
Snap hit 74.87 is called. Snap.
AMC, ASHR, TWTR,
Double bottom.
SHR, NKLA, SBIO, DNLI, CTO,
Yes, bingo.
SOXL,
We got that lower support at 74.35. The top of the channel.
WZ, PBO,
Okay.
SGRP,
We pull back to 50% on the run.
XBIO, IBM, SGRG.
I still like this channel down here where the chart pattern is for snap.
SGRP,
So just be patient. Don't rush into the trade yet. I haven't had a confirmation of a reversal.
CTO, EEM, SGRP,
You gotta have. See, this is a bear flag.
BTBT,
Lower lows. That's bear.
AG, DNLI,
Now,
This could be opening up to blowhorn, or an inverse blowhorn pattern.
SGRP.
No, it's not.
BIDU, GLD,
It's there, it's there. It'll go down more.
SLB, API,
What am I doing here?
SPRT, SGRP,
I had to redraw the line tighter here.
SGRP,
In my support, 7487, the top of the box, of the channel,
SH, IAU, SGRP, RE,
snap.
ASHR, HEX.
The object of the game here is to try to determine when the reversal begins and to get into the trade before others even think about it. I'm drawing this trend line here, so I'm started the pattern that I'm looking for the reversal. What I need it to do is to break the 9, and I'll continue right here.
CLF, CRSP, PYPL, DYNT.
But this will build up to the sneaky snake trade.
LBS,
Time still looks bullish. TYME,
VIP,
XBIO pulled back just above my support level at 293. Damn, we hit 3.
TWTR,
Okay.
XBIO,
Oh, there goes Apple.
DYNT,
I want 150 today. I want it. I want it. I want it.
Gold, Amara, GDX, UA, LAAB, SB, ARK,
I want it.
GME, SPRT, DYNT, SE, XBINT,
We're going through my watch list.
CHWY, PLTR,
This is how you work a watch list. You let the scanner fill it,
TDHWY, PYPL,
and you clean it.
EWZ, low.
Snap. As you can see, Snap is now pulled back to my top support line that I called out here when it was up here higher at 74.35. We'll see what happens from here.
PRP shop. PDD. SOXL disc.
Snap. We got that $80 strike at
NCTY at PHG at
$75 strike and the 76
TTD.
and the 77.
SGRQ. NS.
Snap hit the top of the box,
BKR. CTO.
74.35.
PBR. CBX. Home. USO. RDSA. GDXJ. NEM. JDSTUZ. BB. DKNG. AG. NK. FFI. TSM. XLB. HIMX. XOM. Gold. Any. Tech. Math. SOXL. TXN. SGRP. COP. CHWIV. AMZN. QQQ. APQQ. Snow. NHL.
Right into the call right here that I made.
UAA. SGRP. SGRP.
July
Enemy.
30th, $75 strike.
SGRP. CVX. CTO. BKR. IQ. TLT. PDD. HUIA. Cold. DYNT. Home. Airy. DYNT. HIMX. SBUX. ORCL. INTZ. YY dis SCHPT dis
I already took the trade by this time.
IBM QCOM B DYNT XOM ERABT HD BP RDSR SUSA VISC SGRP MAT YTNC HAS XVI.
Here I'm asking myself, the beginning of the sneaky snake trade, if the 9's going to cross over the 21 SMA, and that's the 9 EMA. So I'm already in the trade by the time it broke my trend line that I started from these candles right in here. Once we busted past that, it held support.
HAS NK BCRX NBAX NTWTR TWTIO XBIO Co.
At this point, I'm not too worried because I'm watching the tape.
QFIN
The 9's curling up, and we're above my resistance line, support line.
IBC KC B
As long as the body of that candle holds above it, we're fine.
LABU
But I want to get in these trades before others think about it.
NPX VOD Any SLB has VIPs
Now.
PKRs
Snap.
NK
New break is 21. We're getting the crossover on snap.
RDSA RDSD XLB XPDI Rio
Remember I talked about this play?
DQ, Nets,
What'd I say? Wait,
SBI
I can see it coming. Maybe.
TWTR
I'm not for sure yet, but I'm just a prediction there.
BCRS TXN
The 21. I talked about the crossover, the 21 over the 20. I mean the 9 over the 21.
CM
I had a pivot point in the channel on the way down.
YY UA
I created a pivot point.
LABU
Once it broke the pivot point,
B
it was an idea. I was seeing the 9 cross up. Now I'm trying to get into the play before it even triggers. 76.49, 76.40 is my first target.
CHPT Rewind AGIO SGRP Tech Disc
See how I'm calling this out, right? Bingo.
JDST Otis JMIA API NSQ
Now we're identifying the trade before it even happens.
has
Before we're triggered.
SGRP AEHL
This is what I'm about. I'm not an alert system. I'm a learning system. You want to build a strategy, that's what you're here for.
AEHL IQ
I'm giving you a foolproof strategy right here.
XOP COP SGRP
Well, I think that kind of sums it up. How the trade turned out and how I called it, how I was watching it. You know, I've seen the lower low, so I wasn't ready to take the trade yet, but I was able to go ahead and draw a trend line. It's called a horizon line, a pivot point area between support and the break of resistance. And I started identifying the 9 EMA moving up, curling up, and took the trade before it even got above the line. Once I seen that green candle, I was in the stock. So if you go back and you look at it now, snap. It hit my target that I wanted to hit, and that was that 200. I hit the 50, and the 50 kind of stuttered around right here, but once she broke that, she hit the 200. So this is what I call the sneaky snake trade, and you know, it works. It's one of my favorite trades of all. And this here's not. I took my moving averages off this, so I'm going to pull up my other chart real fast here. I've got them somewhere. But here you go. You get the 9 that crosses over the 21. Then you get what you call golden cross. And that's when the 50 crosses the 200. That still gives, and then you break into another pattern. So that's allowing you to even take the trade higher. And I did. But I'm saying my target was the 200, and that's what we took. Perfect. Perfect call. So I call this the sneaky snake trade, and I wish you all a great day, but I just wanted to show you how that kind of formulates, and I've not done wrong with this trade in 2 weeks that I've been practicing it. So keep in mind, retail traders, a little hard work, you'll get there eventually.